Okay, here it is. This is my 1968 Dominion box fan I have recently just restored. I know you've been waiting for this video. I've just been busy with other things, so I haven't had the time to make the video, but here it is finally. I did the blade in a beautiful cream, in the cabinet a very nice blue. I got every bit of rust off, plus I did the grills in a nice silver. Has the original cord with the brand new 2-speed toggle switch. This thing was in very, very rough shape when I got it, but it still worked. The motor had a really good spin down time, which is surprising because these fans were built so tough back then. It has mounting holes on each side. The blade, if you noticed in the previous video, this blade had that gash in it from it being hit, so I just took some JB weld, filed it down and put some JB weld on it and painted over it. Now it looks good as new. It doesn't even affect the balance of it, it's actually still balanced. I oiled the motor, blew it out, but I didn't paint it because it still looks good. So it's the original paint. You'll see it on the back. Spray painted the handle, same as the blade, so it would match, and it looks excellent. Had to take the original feet out because they were all crusty and rotten, but we'll probably put some new ones in there. This thing turned out amazing, and it only took me about, I think, 6 or 7 days to do it. I was using grinders and everything to get that rust off. Alright, I'll show you the back. Here's the motor. You see there's still rust on the top, but it's all nice and clean. Has oiling ports. The motor, it's dated 1969, but thanks to someone on Facebook, can't remember your name, but sorry. What are you doing, Focus? But they told me the year of this fan is 1968. So they probably just used 1969 motors, like the first. There you go, Focus. There's the switch, the original, or the new wiring with covers to make a better connection. Has the original grommet too, my Ford sign. Has a shroud, the original motor nuts, and the clamps, the cord clamps. Here's the sides. Both sides are the same. If the Focus would actually do something, it would help. Alright, might as well show it. Here's low. What are you doing, Focus? Runs very nicely. Nice breeze. Would be a good shop fan. There you go, Focus. Finally. Sorry about that. And here's my losing a lot of air. And here's off. I did oil the motor, as I said earlier. It does a wonderful spin down time, nice and long. I'll show you the startup sound. I do not know the model of this fan because I still yet to find it, but I do know, thanks to that one guy, it's made in 1968, so this is the late 60s. handle's plastic, forgot to mention that. And then there's the original 2 switch holes. Let's see, where's the original switch? Oh, here it is. It's on my desk. See? But I didn't really need those holes. This one's busted. Alright. Since there's no rubber feet, it's easy to rotate. It's kind of funny. Oh, the grills, they sit in little metal spring clips. You just push them in. They snap in. You just have to, not vigorously, but you have to use a little bit of force to get them out. Here's the motor, and here's the startup sound. Alright, I guess that's all the show. I know y'all have been waiting for a long time for this video, and I'm sorry. I've just had other things to do. Alright, well, tell me what you think down in the comments. Please, once again, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.